Hello everyone, my name is Taiwo Yunusa. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining on how to move our data from on-premises to the cloud using Azure Data Factory, right? So we're going to go to our on-premises. We're going to create the login and the password, right? So after creating the login and the password, we're going to go to the cloud to create our Azure Data Factory, which we're going to go to injection to, and then we're going to create our integration, right? And there's on this integration, it falls into three parts. Our first part is auto, which is moving data in between Azure, right? Azure Cloud. And there's self-hosted, which the self-hosted is we are moving data from on-premises to the cloud. That is the one you're going to use, and that is what we're going to use today. And another one is SSIS. Maybe you are loading data from your SSIS to the cloud, right? Then the data lake. The data lake is where after we do all our transformation, we're going to load the data from there. We're going to load it to the data lake, which Azure Databricks, it's where we're going to do our transformation. So in the nutshell, we're going to use Data Factory to bring the data to our premises, to bring data from our on-premises to data lake, right? Then we're going to use Azure Databricks to do all the transformation, which we can use Scalar to do all the editing of the data, which is going to be reflecting on the data lake, right? Then we're going to use Azure Snaps. We're going to use it for loading, right? Which we're going to use our Power BI to do the reporting. And the Azure Active Directory, the work of that one is, may you want to give any permission, after you're done with all the transformation to any user, right? And the Azure Key Vault, the work of that one is the login that we created on premises and the password, right? We are going to save it on the Azure Key Vault so that the bad guys, they are not going to lay their hands on it, right? So that is that about the practical aspects. After this video, the second video coming, we're going to do the theoretical aspect, because I don't want the video to be too long so that it will not be that boring. How do I put it in the two parts? So follow me after you watch this first video. Try to watch the second video, which there I'm going to explain and walk you through on how to move the data from the premises to the Azure Cloud using ADL, which is the same thing as ETL, extract, transform, and load, right? Okay, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and give a comment, right? So thank you.